In this demonstration, we'll show you the IEC61850 options that are available under the miscellaneous group, which will assist you in basically setting your environment for the IEC61850 loader. It will also allow for sharing of that environment with other users. The two main categories that are supported by the IEC61850 options is the device configuration and the voltage list, right? So in order to access it, you just go to the miscellaneous group, click on the IEC61850 options, and you can see the three categories that would set up your environment: device configuration, voltage list, and the diagram color scheme. For the device configuration, in the device configuration, you can choose how to present data from the SCL files. The definition for each one of these options is available on the online help. Also, you can decide if the IEC 61850 graphic block diagrams will be shown vertical or horizontal by default. This may also be changed interactively in the loader. Okay, this is it for the device configuration interface. For the voltage lists, the voltage list allows a user to create and maintain the desired voltage levels when working with ICD or CID files. So in order to change or add to this list, what you could do is you could export the list. I'm going to export it to my desktop. I'm just going to call it voltage lists.txt, and we say the voltage list is exported successfully. We can click OK. Now we can edit our voltage list. Okay, so let's say you're interested in two new voltage levels, 150 kV and 22 kV, right? What will this allow you to do is you can save this voltage list for future use, and you can share it among other users. Now we can import this voltage list. Now we click OK, and as you can see, the voltages that has been set up in the text file are imported and available ready for use with your loader in order to configure your devices. Okay, so this is a very powerful tool in order to share these voltage lists with the rest of your team, as we said. Okay. The next setting is the diagram color scheme environment settings. Okay, the diagram color scheme environment setting will allow you to set up the colors for various voltage levels that are available in your loader, which basically allows a user to create and maintain colors in these various substations levels. The client has by default the same color as the device icon in the SG config. Okay, and then you will be able to set up the voltage areas color scheme, the base level color scheme, and the IED's level color scheme. Just to note that in order for these color schemes to take effect, you always have to press OK, which means that the changes did take place, and exit out of here. You could export these color schemes, and you can of course share it with the rest of your team, and you can import these color schemes. So we're going to demonstrate how to change a color. Let's say we want to change the IED color. So I want to change it to aqua, and that's the color that I would like to use at some point in the future. I have to press OK and go back into the IEC61850. I can see that it has taken effect. So now I can export this color scheme. So I'm going to go ahead and export this color scheme. I'm just going to leave it with the default naming. Of course, you can change the naming, or you can put it in a separate folder by itself. So I'm just going to click OK. Now my color scheme is saved. If for any reason this color scheme changes, like let's say I want to change it momentarily, and I click OK in here. When I open the IEC61850, now this is my color scheme. When I go to the loader, this is the color scheme that will be used during the loader execution. If I want to reset this color back to the exported color scheme, I can click on import, click on my color scheme that was exported previously, and say OK. Click on the OK button here and go back to the IEC61850 color scheme options, and as you can see, the color scheme has been restored for each. And this can be of course applied to every level of your substation. Okay, thank you for watching this demonstration.